Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is me, Humaira. If you are running Google Ads for your solar business and sending people to your homepage, then you are burning your money in every single click. Today I am going to tell you the exact blueprint I use to audit landing pages. The same 11-part structure that separates a page that converts only 2% from one that converts at 15%. Strict around because point number 8 is the one almost every solar company gets wrong. Number 1, the header part. This is the first 3 seconds of your visitor's experience. And most businesses get this wrong by including too much. It needs only your logo, your phone number, and a clear CTA button. The menu is not needed to add here, because every extra nav link you add is basically a door for your visitors to walk out before they have even read your offer. The number 2, hero section. And this is the single most important section on the page, like your real life hero. You need 4 things: a benefit driven headline, not a company slogan. For example, cities, power your home, save for a lifetime. That's not about the company, that's about the visitor's outcome. Then a supporting subheadline that add detail, a primary city button that's impossible to miss, and a hero image that show the results. In this case, an actual solar installation, not a stock photo of someone shaking hands. And the section number 3 is social proof bar. Right after the hero, before they have read anything else, you drop your social proof bar. For example, it could be logos, client count, star rating, and trust badges. Notice the placement here. It is not buried at the bottom. It's immediately below the fold. The question is why? Because your visitors just read a big promise and their very next instinct is, okay, but can I trust this? Your answer that question in the next 3 seconds, not re-scroll later. The section number 4 has 2 jobs. First, you call out the visitor's problem in their own words. That's get their attention because it sounds like their life, not your self pitch. But then, and this is the part people forget, you immediately tell them why you are the best. In the first point, problem gets them to listen, and the value proposition gives them a reason it should be you, not any competitor. And the number 5 is features and benefits. Try to add 3 to 4 key features, but framed as benefits. Don't just say 4 watt panels. Say lower electricity bill, save up to 70% every month. And the number 6 is how it works. It's about your services. This section exists for one reason: to kill the hesitation of customers. A lot of people don't say no because they don't want your product. They say no because the process feels complicated and they do not want to deal with it. This section helps to get people that your work is not so complicated. It should be feel simple. The point number 7 is testimonials or case studies. Specificity is what makes this work. 5-star reviews with no name barely move the needle. A named person, a real city, and specific results, that's what make a stranger trust you. And here is the point number 8, the one almost nobody in this industry does right. Most solar and home service companies hide pricing completely, thinking that it scares people off. It's totally opposite. Look at this street tire layout: basic, premium, and ultimate. With the middle tier marked most popular, this does two things. It removes the anxiety of unknown cost, and it uses the middle tier anchor effect the nudge toward your best margin option. If your page has zero pricing information, you are leaving your most price conscious visitors with nothing to compare against, so that they just leave and go compare you to someone who did show pricing. And the number 9 is frequently asked question. How much can I save with solar? Is my roof good for panels? Do you offer financing? This section mops up every last objection before you ask for the sale. If a visitor has a question and cannot find the answer, they don't email you, they just leave. And the section number 10 is final CTA section. Try to notice. This is not identically to your hero section CTA. It is most direct, more urgent, and because by this point your visitor has all the information, they just need the final nudge. And the last part is footer section. In this point, you should add legal links, contact info, service area, social icons. It is the safety net for the visitors who scrolled all the way down without converting. This is their last chance to find a way to reach you. So, that's the full blueprint, 11 section, each with one job, building toward a single outcome, turning stranger into a lead. I am Asma Islam Humaira, your Google Ad consultant. Follow me for more data driven ad strategies. Thank you.